मैं माननीय महामहिम उपराष्ट्रपति जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि दीप प्रज्वलित कर आज के समारोह का मंगलारंभ करें। सर
मैम प्लीज थोड़ा इधर को जाएंगे।
शुभम करोत्तम कल्याणम आरोग्य धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमस्ते।
वाला पेन लगाने के लिए
आपका आने का एक धन्यवाद। एक फरवरी से 15 फरवरी तक ट्राइब्स इंडिया और ट्राइफेड लेके आए हैं आदि महोत्सव।
केंद्र सरकार में मंत्री श्री अर्जुन मुंडा जी, श्रीमती रेणु सिंह जी, श्री सुब्रमण्यम जी सचिव और श्री रमेश चंद्र मीना जी और ट्राइफेड का एमडी और अन्य पदाधिकारीगण, मैं सचमुच में बहुत आनंद महसूस कर रहा हूँ। आज शाम को यहाँ आके आदि महोत्सव का इस कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन करना मेरा मन में भी बहुत प्रसन्नता है, क्योंकि आदिवासी मूल निवासी है। हमारा परंपरा, हमारा संस्कृति, हमारा आदिकाल से, वेद काल से, पुराण काल से हमारा पूर्वजों ने जो जिया और दिया, उसी परंपरा को अभी भी कायम रखने वाले लोग हमारा आदिवासी जनजाति समुदाय है। इसलिए आपका इस कार्यक्रम में आना और यहाँ का विभिन्न कलाकारों का उनका प्रदर्शन, उनका कौशल वगैरह देखना, और आप लोगों ने देश भर में अलग अलग प्रदेशों से जो आवे, जो लोगों ने वहाँ अपना इलाका में बनाते सभी वस्तुओं का यहाँ प्रदर्शन लगाया। इस प्रदर्शन का आयोजन करने वाले ट्राइफेड को और इसको एक ब्रांडिंग देके मार्केट में लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए और धीरे धीरे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में इसको और भी इम्पोर्टेंस मिले और वहाँ तक पहुँचे, इसी उद्देश्य से आप लोगों ने ये आज का ये एग्जीबिशन, ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। मैं सभी संबंधित लोगों को, मंत्री को और उनका मंत्रालय का सभी कर्मचारियों को, सबको मैं अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ। और जैसा मैंने अभी अभी देखा, मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं बिता पा रहा हूँ, कारण क्या है, ठंड के कारण से थोड़ा सा मुझे एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल होना ज़रूरी है। मैं अर्जुन जी को बता रहे थे, मैं अभी अर्जुन नहीं हूँ, द्रोण हो गया है, उसको ध्यान में रख के आगे बढ़ो। मनोबल है, मगर साथ ही साथ तो ये मौसम का भी थोड़ा ख्याल रखना इस उम्र में बहुत ज़रूरी है। I feel very happy that I've been able to come here today, this evening, and inaugurate this prestigious annual event, Adi Mahotsav, of our tribal brothers and sisters. I am feeling extremely happy in my heart of hearts. seeing all of you coming from different parts of the country, and also happy to see your specially made different articles by the different artisans from across the country, and the efforts that are being made to give them a branding and then go for a marketing to a wider market to reach even international, national, international market. That should be the core effort of the entire ministry, while taking care of the welfare, taking care of the development, taking care of the infrastructure needs of the tribal population, their education, their health. Equally important is to provide them livelihood opportunities. And they have talents. And that talent has to be recognized. And the talent has to be promoted. And we all feel proud of the talent of our tribal population across the country. They have so much expertise in them. We need to give them a little more training and also little skill upgradation and also provide them larger marketing facilities by providing the brand and also reaching out those products to the larger population of the country and also in the international market. Anybody, I can assure you, anybody who goes through these products made by our artisans, made by our tribals, they will definitely not only be impressed, they will be more than happy to take them, to promote them, to purchase them, to patronize them. So that's why this is an important occasion that this festival is organized in the national capital of India, Delhi, in the Delhi hat. The commerce, the culture, the cuisine, all these things should be combined together. Unless you promote them, propagate them, patronize them, unless they reach larger section of the people who are producing them or who are creating these arts or promoting these arts, they will not get enough encouragement and they will not get their livelihood. So the focus should be on creating more livelihood opportunities and promoting them for better opportunities and also providing marketing facilities. This is the duty of the government. I always say that we are proud of our people and there is inherent talent in everybody, particularly among the tribals, inherent talent. भारत में हर एक नागरिक में, हर एक समाज में, हर एक वर्ग में कुछ ना कुछ कौशल है. उस कौशल को पहचानना और उस कौशल को प्रोत्साहन देना, ये हमारा कर्तव्य है. सरकार नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उसी दिशा में काम कर रहे और हम सब लोग देशवासियों से भी मेरा अपील है, आप लोग कृपया यहाँ जो दिल्ली में है मार्केट को, ये महोत्सव को एक बार यहाँ आके इसको देख लीजिए और इन चीज़ों को प्रमोट करिए, पैट्रनाइज करिए. And also these things are time tested. The honey produced by our tribal friends, families, it is more, what do you call, quality than anybody else. And at the end of the day, these big companies, they will produce, they will market your produce only by their infrastructure and by their facilities. This amla juice, just now I have tasted. It will provide the support for the health because We want to become a strong and stable nation. For that, physical condition, for that some exercise and some good food also is required. If you are physically fit, you will be mentally alert. That is proven. And you see during this COVID crisis, in the rural areas, more particularly in the tribal areas, COVID affected cases are very less because of the lifestyle. Casualties are very nominal because of the food they eat and the life they lead. Openness, open air and sunlight. The urban people have become more casualty because they don't enjoy the light, they don't enjoy the fresh air, and they don't maintain the distance. We are talking of social distance. Surakshita Duri. In the tribal area, Surakshita Duri is there. Dur Daraya Ilaka mein. So we have to take a clue from this. I am suggesting even to the urban planners, town planners, keep the light, keep the air, keep the water flow in mind and plan accordingly. You should not be guided by only fashion. Recently I was talking to an architect, I told her, Saundaryama, Saukaryama. Or you want only glamour, show off, or you want some grammar also. Saukarya means comfort. Saundarya means the aesthetics, the outsider beauty and all. Both are required, I do agree. But there is a natural beauty. And tribals, the beauty and duty, if it is combined together, they will become mighty and make the country also mighty. I would like to tell the people, follow this advice of nature, culture, together for better future. प्रकृति के साथ समय बिताना बहुत जरूरी है और प्रकृति में जो है उन चीज़ों को आस्वादन करना भी बहुत जरूरी है. आर्टिफिशियल आजकल हम देख रहे हैं ना, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं सर इंस्टेंट फूड माने कांस्टेंट डिसीज. फूड हैज टू बी कुक्ड ना. विदाउट कुकिंग यू कांट एंजॉय द फूड. It will not get properly digested also. So one has to think of the natural, organic food. All the tribal products are organic. So they should be encouraged and they should be promoted. I convey my best wishes to Trifed to get success for their branding and marketing efforts and see these products become very popular. And I call upon the people also to encourage tribal handmade products and also promote their health. And if you are healthy, you can become wealthy. But if you are wealthy, there is no guarantee you will become healthy. So health is important for getting wealth. I hope that people will keep this piece of advice in mind and then encourage tribal products and also tribal arts, tribal culture, which is our original culture. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.